Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a PayPal account. First, decide if you need a personal or business account. A personal account is perfect for everyday transactions, like sending money to friends or family, or making online purchases. If you're selling goods or services, a business account provides features such as invoicing and accepting credit card payments, which can be very helpful for managing your finances and growing your venture. It's a simple first step. Next, you'll need to provide some basic personal information to secure your account. Start by entering your email address and creating a robust password, ideally with at least 8 characters including a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then, fill in your full legal name, current address, and a valid phone number. Finally, review and accept PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy to ensure you understand the terms of service before moving forward. Now let's connect your funding sources. You can link a bank account or a debit or credit card to your PayPal account. For bank accounts, PayPal will send 2 small deposits, typically less than $1 each, which you'll confirm to verify ownership. This process usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Linking a card is quicker, often just requiring the card number, expiration date, and security code. Having multiple options gives you great flexibility. With your account set up and funded, you're ready to start using PayPal. You can easily send money to friends or family by simply entering their email address or phone number. When shopping online, look for the PayPal option at checkout for a secure and convenient payment experience. You can also receive payments, which will appear in your PayPal balance, ready for you to spend or transfer to your linked bank account. Enjoy the ease of managing your money.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.